Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. My God, was it so fun in the live trading environment this morning. Probably 50 to 60 bingos. I'm not kidding. That's people making money, and not just once, but 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I'm going to show you some screenshots that are literally just from today of people that are following along in this live environment and just crushing it. You guys, first off, let's just look at the signals. Right before market open, then market open. Look at these. There's so much opportunity today. Buy signal, profit made. Sell signal, profit made. Sell signal right here after a big dump. Sell signal in the profit we're working on right now. This is incredible. Guys, when I was in the live group, I was also doing some analysis with Ron and speaking up and saying, guys, here's reversal trades. This is what to look out for. This is how you can use these metrics. And this is a 2-minute time frame. And if you look at the 1-minute time frame, let's look at the 1 minute. Guys, we were like sniping it on the 1 minute today. Boom, 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 like over and over and over. There were just so many opportunities. So before I go into this video a bit more, I have to do this. Take a look at this, you guys. These are literally member profits from today. So first one here, massive shout out. So on this one, good to start here. This is going to be from Terrence. Take a look at this. Today alone, $496 in the live trading group, just today alone. Let's take a look at someone else. Let's go to Timothy. Huge shout out here. $990. Like, are you kidding me? $990? Guys, we were only trading for like 2 hours this morning, and this is what people have already done. And then I got this one afterwards. I was like, watch, this is probably the biggest one for the day. And then I get this. Look at Andrew, who just blew it out of the water and was like, I'm just going to beat everyone. $3,315. Andrew, congratulations, brother. That is incredible. You know, he's in his pro accounts. He's Take Profit Pro. So this is his money. You know, 150K account, he's up $3,315. That's his money. It's just absolutely insane. And that's just today alone. Just killing it. Absolutely killing it, you guys. So this is why I'm here. It's what I'm dedicated to. You know, for me specifically, I went down a lot today. I just traded with 2 micros, not even 5 micros. So I went 2 times less than what I normally trade with, just to get a feel and to trade alongside with you guys. And today I was able to pull out almost 30 points. So $107 times 4 accounts, or 106, so it's almost $420, you know, today. These are my pro accounts. So I have 4 of them linked. So it wasn't my biggest day, but you know what? I had so much fun giving the education. And you know what? Tomorrow and the other days, I'll probably move this up to 20 so I can trade with 5 on each of them, just so you guys can see this here. These are all the pro accounts, the 4 accounts here. So I was just trading 2 on each. That's it. 2, 4, 6, 8. So normally I trade 5, but just wasn't feeling it this morning. Was too involved and too excited to get on the group with you guys. But seriously, just here real quick before I go into more action and we go over these signals. Guys, you can literally follow us live every Tuesday and Thursday with Ron and myself and the amazing group that we have. In the description of this video, you guys can get access right away. This is still actually going on, so please take advantage of it while you can. And people are just making money every day. You know, every Tuesday and Thursday, I'm going to try to do these recap videos to show literally member profits of what people are making inside there. So, you know, it's not just Justin making money. It's not just Ron, who took 18 trades yesterday and won 17 of them. He made $800 on his own account. So you guys know the people teaching these sessions and myself and Ron, we're doing this ourselves too. So have an amazing time. And of course, all the metrics that we do all of our analysis off of is, of course, lifetime access over here. You guys can get direct access to that. But let's go over this real quick. Let's take a look at some of these signals. And why were these so good? You know, every single one of these signals took into account the A+ quality setups. Every single one of them. Look at this, you guys. Right here, sell signal. What has to happen for an A+ setup? Background has to be red. 200 EMA has to be on here. Profit wave, brighter color on the bottom, right? Brighter on the bottom. This is your checklist. Background, stacked profit wave, right? Brighter on the bottom, brighter on the bottom, brighter on the bottom, brighter on the bottom. I'm going to go over this in 1 second. And you have to have that strong candle. Strong candle is a strong bearish candle with a full body and a wick out the bottom. Wick, body, wick, body, wick, body, wick. Now, go for 5 points on the 1 minute time frame. If you want to hold it longer, that's okay and up to you, but fall in love with 5 and do it over and over and over again. You know, there's 4 signals right here. That's 20 points right away. So perfect signal right here. Why would I, Justin, have waited a little bit longer on this, but still would have capitalized on this trade? Right here, the brighter color on this red signal is right on the bottom. Continuational trades is something that I can add to this. And what I was talking about in the group this morning. A couple things. If you end up getting these doji candles in an overall continuational trade after a sell signal and your white dot is at the bottom 50%, this is where you can see massive drops. Inversely, if you are entering right here and you're looking to get out, play it up until you get the inverse candle. Doji candle with a wick out the top. That's 27 points, you guys. $270 per account. You made over $1,000 right there. Just off of entry, not even there, entry here, and getting out. These candles that form when you have your candles above 50% here and that white dot starts to go above, that's when you can see these reversals. And there's probably 30 bingos just on this reversal trade this morning that people caught. And then there was more trades, of course, with our sell signal. There's more trades coming up to the 200. And then, of course, more just right now. So guys, this is what we're doing live. If you are new to trading, if you've been trading for a while, it doesn't matter where you've been. If you're 2 months into it, I literally had someone was like, Justin, it's my first day on here. Amir, shout out to you, by the way. And you actually had a bingo today too. So this is your first day in our live trading group and you made money today as well. Congratulations. But guys, that's why I want to get on here. I'm showing you my own accounts. I'm showing you other people's accounts. This is changing so many lives. And we had a comment on there and we were like, Marcella did amazing. Did over, I think it was just over $600 today. And she's like, guys, I've been trading for a couple hours. Where can I do this with any profession and make $600 trading 2 hours with you guys? I was like, honestly, it's not out there. It isn't, but it is right here for you guys to take advantage of it, get the education, hopefully make some money along the way. But you know what? Let's do this together as a team. So if you want to join a fast growing team that's super pumped up and we have an amazing time every Tuesday, Thursday, you guys know exactly where to get this. Hope you guys made money today. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Take care.